My name is Brooke Napier, and I work as a postdoctoral fellow at Stanford University School of Medicine in the Microbiology and Immunology department. My research is mainly focused on bacterial infections and host inflammatory responses to these infections. Specifically, I study severe sepsis. Sepsis is an abnormal host response to infection that causes a dramatic and uncontrollable increase of inflammation and cell death. This inflammation can lead to organ failure and possibly septic shock. And up to 50% of patients who get severe sepsis will die, and up to 80% of those will progress into septic shock will die. This is a particularly interesting disease because you don't have to be immunocompromised, young, old, or sick to get sepsis. If you, as a healthy adult in California, were camping and cut yourself or scraped your knee and got a bacterial infection, you could succumb to sepsis. Sepsis is very difficult to diagnose, and it's usually treated with intravenous fluids and antibiotics. The fluids are used to control the blood pressure drop, and the antibiotics are used to control further bacterial replication. However, we're not directly treating the problem, which is uncontrollable inflammation, because we don't know what's causing it. In order to be able to diagnose and treat sepsis, we need to fill this gap in our knowledge of what is causing this uncontrollable inflammation. If we identify the cellular pathways and cell types that are contributing to inflammation during sepsis, we will be able to identify new diagnostics and potential therapeutic targets. With your support, I will be able to purchase the necessary mice and reagents to test my hypothesis. Additionally, this donation will contribute to housing, feeding, breeding, and genotyping the mice, and the diagnostics after we induce sepsis. I'll be sharing my progress and data as the project develops, so that you can see what you've contributed towards. I want to thank everyone for taking the time out to come to this page and read about my science. Please share this video with people you think are interested in this topic so we can fund this project and learn more about this deadly disease.